Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhavarami. My school name is Rupavati Circle, so I read in class LKG. I live in Pavas. My father name is Raja Padrami. My mother name is Anata Varami. My grandfather name is Raskalan Varami. My grandmother name is Amala Varami. My class teacher name is Sila Vanekesi. My brother name is Aloyan Sanchakakami. My uncle name is Riza Zarangani. My auntie name is Sita Bargani. I love my family. Thank you.